Keyboards get dirty really quickly, and dirt means germs. So here is how I clean my keyboards. First, I disconnect my keyboard, switch it off, and remove the batteries. Next, I spray distilled malt vinegar onto a clean cloth, so the cloth is damp to touch. Then I clean the surround and the key tops with the damp part of the cloth. Next, I wrap a damp part of the cloth around the end of a teaspoon. And I clean the keys by pressing the end of the spoon gently into the gap between the keys, regularly wrapping the end of the spoon in a clean part of the cloth and spraying the cloth with distilled malt vinegar so it is damp to touch. Once cleaned, I leave the keyboard to completely dry before putting the batteries back in and using it with my computer. If you enjoyed this video, do give us a thumbs up and click on that subscribe button. Cheers!